stream bioscience. I have taken biology because I love the subject very much. We have seen the present situations of our world, how the doctors are trying their best to fight against COVID-19 and trying their best to save the world from it. So I've also got the inspiration to become a doctor and save the world, and I will try my best to save the world and fight against the extreme viruses. I hope from everybody's blessings I can be a doctor. Thank you.
I hope my respected principals and all teachers and all my fellow friends are keeping well. Myself Tanay Devnath of class 11 Bioscience. I have chosen biology as a part of my subject because I want to be a doctor. As we are seeing in this current situation, there are a lack of doctors. And if in future this type of virus spreads once more, so that I can be a part of discovering new vaccines. Thank you.
Like everyone, I also have an ambition to be a doctor, as it is a noble and prestigious profession. In this pandemic situation, I am influenced by the hard working and the dedication of all the doctors. The COVID-19 is too much infectious, so they have to wear the PPE kit, the headset and also the gloves. They are also keeping distances from all their family members. As we know that till date, no antidote is being invented, so they are fighting with their existing medicines. We are very much thankful to all the corona fighters. Not only we, the government also gave them gratitude by flowering from the sky.
Good morning, my name is Shunipa Mondal. I am a student of class 11 Bioscience. I have taken Bioscience to become a doctor. As you all know, the world is suffering from dangerous deadly diseases like coronavirus and swine flu. The doctors are working tirelessly to prevent COVID-19 from spreading. They risk their life to save others who are suffering from this COVID-19. They do not look on their own. They are not caring for their own. They are saving the people who is suffering from this COVID-19. The doctors are trying their best to cheer up their patients. No matter how tired they do their duty honestly. I also want to become a doctor so that I can also be able to treat other people. Thank you.
The good physician treats the disease, but the greatest physician treats the patient who has the disease. Hello everyone, I am Ansu Kumari from class 11 and today I am going to say why do I want to become a doctor. To me, becoming a doctor means learning everything there is to know about human body, because human body itself is an incredible thing and the medical students and doctors get the opportunity to further examine it with the most innovative technologies. When you work in a healthcare field, you get a feeling of contentment. This is because you help people get better. You feel important and satisfied by making the changes in the lives of people. Those are affected by the diseases. Nowadays, if we have a glance on India's condition, we can see that more than 490,000 people have been affected by the coronavirus pandemic. In this situation, if I had been a doctor, I could have saved some lives. But becoming a doctor doesn't mean that you are going to end such pandemics like COVID-19. But yeah, the doctors could of course give their best to save the lives of the people. And the doctors should also take care of those patients who are affected by the many other diseases like chronic heart disease, cancer, kidney disorders, etc. This should be the responsibility of the doctor, because good doctors understands responsibility better than privilege and practice accountability better than a business. Thank you so much.
Coronavirus facing death procession every day, as if we see darkness in the broad daylight. In these situations, doctors are the angels with light of hope and aspiration. Truly, global COVID-19 pandemic battle is led by the doctors and the health workers. They have been working overtime on the front line of COVID-19 crisis and risking their lives to save others. When I see our doctors treat their patients with a smile and cheer, motivates and encourage sick persons, their charitable attitude, dedication, hard work, personal touch impress me. And I feel my aim in life to get a direction to reach in destination. Yes, I am proud, very much proud of our heroes, the doctors, the health workers. So thank you so much to all the heroes who fight face to face against COVID-19 pandemic battle.
When the world is under darkness and time has betrayed us all, the doctors stood as our defense, like the soldiers at the front lines, giving us hope and protecting us from the COVID-19 pandemic. Their sincerity and zeal to work for the society and help the world regain its glory is what encourages them to give up the personal pleasure and time and help the people in need. They have inspired me in the same way, making me want to pursue my dream as a reliable and capable doctor. It is not a sudden thought. It has grown since the first time I saw the doctor with a stethoscope. I believe there is no alternative for sincerity, hard work and determination. Like they have sincerely looked after us all this time. I know it may be hard for us to stay inside the house all the time, but we must do our best on our parts and also follow the rules to help the people who are risking their lives for us, keeping us safe to go back to their home safe and sound. So please stay home and stay safe.
I am Muskan Khatun of Jyotirmay Public School, a student of class 11 of science stream. Biology is my favorite subject and I want to become a doctor. My decision to become a doctor is driven largely by values instilled in me by my faith and family. The idea of being a part of this profession is focused on helping others regardless of circumstances and facilitating people leading healthier and therefore happier lives. During this period of quarantine and isolation, the doctors are the frontline fighters against the deadly disease COVID-19 by maintaining the health system of our nation. Therefore, every day will be a gift to me to have the opportunity to care for the patients in their most vulnerable times. Despite the stress and long hours away from home and family, I could never imagine a different career.
Ambition is a strong desire to achieve something in life. My aim in life is to become a doctor. As we all know, doctors are such noble persons who extend his or her true services towards his or her patients, regardless of any bias or apprehension. Doctors are now in the front line of the battle against coronavirus pandemic. With staff shortage and short supply of personal protective equipments, many doctors are restoring themselves to overwork for more than 6 to 7 hours just to ensure that their patients are all right. So doctors are very important individuals of our society, and as long as we are alive, we will surely need the help of doctors to keep us in pink of health. And let health and happiness prevail.
For all my life, I have had only one aspiration, and that is of becoming a doctor. I am ready to renunciate my pleasures of today to become a truly capable and reliable doctor in future. I believe there are no alternatives for aspirations and hard work, and the doctors of our nation are working very hard since the COVID-19 pandemic had started. The zeal to work for the society and to help the world regain its lost glory is what encourages them to sacrifice their own needs and happiness to help the people who are in need. The time that they got with their families has been replaced by overtime shifts. But are they complaining? They are not. But are we trying our best to help them? We are not. So let's pledge to stay at our homes and stay safe so that the healthcare professionals can soon go back to their homes and stay safe just like we are. They are not only saving the lives of thousands of patients, but they are also acting as guardians to the families of these patients. They are our warriors. They are God in disguise. Let's stay at home and stay healthy. Let's pay back for their sacrifice.